I can't sleep. It's too hot. Come on, fan. Please help me. Just a little. Please.
That is not enough. You are moving air, but the air is still hot. My pillow is warm. My room is warm. Even my thoughts are warm.
I need winter. Just 5 minutes of winter. I am not angry. I am just disappointed.
Welcome to Nightwave English. Today, Lena cannot sleep because of the heat. Her old fan is not helping, so she needs a new one. Let's begin.
Good morning, Lena.
Is it?
You look tired.
Thank you.
Very tired.
Thank you again.
Did you sleep?
No.
Why not?
I couldn't sleep last night.
Because of the heat?
Yes, it was too hot.
Did the fan help?
The fan tried. The fan tried.
But?
It failed.
Poor fan.
Poor me.
Maybe you need a new fan.
Noah, what? That is actually a good idea.
My ideas are often good.
Let's not go too far.
So, we buy a new fan?
Yes.
Today?
Oh, yes, today.
Right now?
Right now.
Before breakfast?
This is an emergency. A fan emergency?
Exactly. Ready?
No.
But we are already outside. My body is outside. My soul is near the fridge.
It's only a short walk to the shop.
In this heat, nothing is short.
It's too hot today.
Yes, very useful sentence.
It's too hot today.
Perfect.
Are you teaching me English or complaining?
Both.
We should walk in the shade.
Yes, let's stay in the shade.
The shade is over there.
Beautiful.
It is just a shadow.
Today, it is not just a shadow.
What is it?
Hope. Hope.
What kind of fan do you want?
A strong fan.
How strong?
Strong enough to push summer out of my room.
That may be expensive.
Then just strong enough to help me sleep.
Big or small? Big enough. Quiet or powerful?
Both. Cheap or good? Noah, that is a dangerous question. So, good? Good.
And cheap?
Also good.
Difficult.
I know.
Maybe we need a magic fan.
Do they sell magic fans?
Probably not.
Disappointing.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Do you have any fans?
Yes, of course. Do you need it for a bedroom?
Yes.
Then you probably want a quiet one.
Yes, very quiet.
She did not sleep last night. Noah, useful information.
I understand. This model is good for bedrooms.
Is it quiet?
Yes, it is quiet.
Is it strong?
Strong enough for a small or medium room.
Does it have storm mode?
Storm mode?
Please ignore him.
I am asking for science.
No storm mode, I'm afraid.
Sad.
Quiet and strong is enough.
This one has 3 speeds.
3 speeds?
Yes, low, medium, and high.
Yes, high sounds good.
High sounds necessary.
It also turns from side to side.
Good. Like your old fan?
My old fan turns from side to side and does nothing.
True.
We also have this smaller model.
Look, Lena, this one is cute.
I do not need cute.
It has a little handle.
I need sleep.
It looks friendly.
I need power.
So not the cute fan?
Not the cute fan.
The larger one is more powerful.
Then the larger one.
Can we name it?
No,
Captain Cold.
absolutely not.
But it's perfect.
We are not naming the fan.
Yet.
How much is this one?
It is $49.99.
Okay.
That face means expensive.
It is not expensive.
No?
It is a serious investment in sleep.
Very professional.
Thank you.
Would you like to take this one?
Yes, please.
Great.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Do fans need batteries?
No, this one plugs into the wall.
Good. Captain Cold needs power.
Captain Cold.
The fan's name.
The fan has no name.
It is a strong name.
Thank you.
I am surrounded.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Turn it on!
Captain Cold is awake.
Noah.
Sorry. The fan is on. Good?
Oh, very good.
Is it strong?
Yes.
Is it quiet?
Yes.
Are you happy?
I am not happy.
No?
I am peaceful.
That is better?
Much better.
So tonight you can sleep?
I hope so.
And if you can't?
Then I will sleep inside the fridge.
That is not allowed.
We will discuss it later. Good night, Lena.
Good night, Noah.
Is the new fan working?
Yes.
Is the room cooler?
Yes.
Are you still disappointed?
No.
Really?
Tonight I am grateful.
To me?
To the fan.
And me?
A little.
I'll take it.
Noah?
Yes?
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Captain Cold.
Noah.
Sorry. Good night, fan.
Much better.
Lena finally has a new fan, and she learned useful English for a hot day. Here are today's sentences. It's too hot today. I couldn't sleep last night. Do you have any fans?
Is it quiet? Can I pay by card?
Now your turn. Write one sentence in the comments. Thank you for watching Nightwave English. See you soon in Havenport.